What up, fam? Welcome back to the vlog. Before we jump into this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you leave me some comments down below on what you guys want to see next. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I air fry my lobster tails and my scallops. If that is something that you would like to see, make sure you stay tuned. And now let's jump right into this video. I have already washed and cut my lobster tails. Now I'm not going to say that I cut them. Deb actually cut them. So if you guys would like to see that, then let me know down below, and he can do a video of showing you guys that, because I am very bad at it. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to lather them up with butter or olive oil or anything of your choice. Now my butter is seasoned, but you don't have to have seasoned butter. You can just have regular butter or olive oil, whatever you would like to baste them with. And after that, I'm going to put my favorite seasonings on them. The seasoning that I used on these lobster tails and scallops was called Wood Fire Grill. We got it out of Sam's. I'll have to post a picture of it to show you guys. But this recipe is very, very simple. Make sure that if you have scallops or shrimp, that you season both sides. I did forget to put butter on this side of the scallops. Now that they're all good and seasoned, I'm now going to put them in the air fryer. My air fryer is on 390 degrees, and I did have to preheat it. If you don't have to preheat yours, or if it doesn't go to 390, 400 should be fine. Just make sure that you watch it. And I am going to leave these in here for only 4 minutes. That's it. You may have to do yours to your liking, but that's how I like mine. It leaves them juicy and tender. 390 for 4 minutes. Look at that. Again, you will have to season to your liking and adjust the time to your liking. But for the most part, that is it, you guys. Very, very, very simple and very, very quick. If you guys would like to see more videos like these, please let me know down below, or let me know down below what you would like to see us air fry next, or what recipe you guys would like to see next. If you would like to see us eat this delicious food, please head over to Fritz Family Entertainment, our mukbang channel, or our foodie fam, and make sure that you check out that mukbang. I'll try to insert some clips at the end of this video. But thank you guys for joining me, and until next time, love you guys.
But it really was kind of relaxing though. Sitting in the car chilling with the kids, even dwelling in the fact that we're privileged enough to just be able to ride around the city. So, well worth it.
So you had a good birthday?
Well, birthday's never about the what I do. Most of the memories that I made.
You're making it to the birthday. Making it to the birthday.
Yes.
That's
not even guaranteed. I've seen a lot of loss in my life. So every day I'm thankful for. Every day a birthday for me, because I'm blessed to wake up.
Amen.
So my number day, that's just a formality on the one I actually came out.
Period. This lobster be off the chain. I did record how I air fry them,
because you guys have been asking.
but I don't know what to tell you to go look for it yet.
We're gonna figure it out.
Because I didn't edit it yet. So